Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is my client Lauren. She's coming for a redesign today. So I've already filed the design on that she had before back down to the thin layer, and now I'm going in with my clear acrylic and just filling in the back growth. So if you recognise these hands or that ring, you'll know that Lauren usually always has a pink design, baby pink, with glitter, but today she's switching it up and she's going with blue. So here I'm picking up a bead of baby blue and snow white from CJP, and I'm just blending them together to create a marble now. So that ring finger, I just used the blue and I just put it at the cuticle area and drag down, because I will come back further on in the video and I'll put some glitter at the tip and fade that down. So then here on the middle finger, I'm going to create an ombre, and I'm using Snow White and baby blue. So on the pointer finger, I'm going to do the same sort of thing as what I did on the ring finger, but I'm just going to marble a little bit of white into that too and put it more on a slant, if you get that. So this set is inspired by Annabelle McGinnis. Is it McGinnis? Sorry if I'm saying that wrong. Now it's by Annabelle. She came in with a picture and was like, I need these, so we're just trying to recreate them. And I'm also using, I forgot to mention, the CJP's Big Boy brush. So on the thumb I'm just doing a full now of the blue. So now it's time for glitter, and you guessed it, it's Reflex again. Oh my god, I feel like I need to apologise that I'm using this too much, but Lauren does always want Reflex, and the picture, this was the closest match to it, so we've just gone with it. So I feel like I need to apologise, but honestly, sorry. It looks good. If you got it, you know it's really nice. So yeah, I'm just fading that here on the ring finger and just blending it down. So then on the middle finger, I just applied a really thin wet bead of clear acrylic, and now I'm just going to do like a little S, you know, like a squiggly line down the middle of her nail. And then on the pointer finger, I'm just going to do the same sort of thing. Apply the glitter at the tip and fade it down. I said that we was doing a full nail of blue on the thumb, but I lied, we're not. So I'm just putting the Reflex at the cuticle area and just fading that down the nail. So once I'm happy with everything, I then come in with my clear acrylic and cap all the nails. I'm using my Glitter Planet size 14 magic stick here. I like to switch to that when I'm capping the nails because it's lovely and big. So once it's set, usually I'll come in with my hand file and I'll just perfect the shape. But when I've done a set and they're extremely thick like this set, I have to come in with my Efile first and just debulk and thin everything out, because otherwise you're filing for about a year. So, well, that's a slight exaggeration. You're filing for a little while and it takes a lot of elbow grease. So I just like to thin it out a little bit now, and then I'll come in with my hand file and perfect the shape. So once I've done all the filing, I then buff her nails nice and smooth. She goes and gives them a good scrub, so we've got a nice clean dust-free surface to apply our gel. I did apply some crystals and I forgot to press play, so I do apologise, but these crystals are from Glitter Planet. I'll leave all my discount codes in the description box, so you can go and check that out if you want to get a little bit of money off. So now I'm using CJP's tack free top gloss, and I'm just applying a nice thin layer of that over all the nails. I then God, once I mess up once, it just keeps going. So I then cure in my lamp for 60 seconds, apply some cuticle oil, and that is the set complete. I do leave a little clip at the end for you to go and check out the final result. Oh, here it is. Gorgeous. So I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and if you don't subscribe to my channel already, please do, and I'll speak to you again in my next one. Bye.